Have you ever wondered how stress is linked to sickle cell disease? Welcome back to the Victory Education Lounge. I'm your host Maurice, and today we're exploring a powerful tool for managing sickle cell disease. Mindfulness Matters, Stress Reduction for Sickle Cell, Part 30. Before we dive into this transformative topic, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Your engagement helps us reach more people with these stress-busting strategies for living well with sickle cell disease. Let's dive into this pressing question. For starters, stress is a universal experience. It's an inescapable part of life that affects us all. However, for those living with sickle cell disease, stress can have a more pronounced and often detrimental impact. Now, let's get scientific for a moment. The body's stress response is often referred to as the fight or flight response. When we're under stress, our bodies release certain hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, preparing us to either face the stressor or escape from it. This results in increased heart rate, quickened breathing, and heightened alertness, among other things. For individuals with sickle cell disease, this stress response can have an additional unfortunate side effect. Stress can trigger a sickle cell crisis, a painful episode that occurs when sickle-shaped red blood cells block blood flow to certain parts of the body. This blockage can cause severe pain and other complications, making stress management crucial for those with sickle cell disease. So, how does this happen? Well, the stress-induced increase in heart rate and breathing can cause your body to use more oxygen, which can lead to a shortage of oxygen-carrying red blood cells. This oxygen shortage can lead to a sickle cell crisis. Additionally, long-term stress can lead to inflammation in the body, which can also trigger a crisis. Understanding this connection between stress and sickle cell disease is not meant to scare you, but to empower you. By understanding how stress impacts your body, you can begin to take control. It's not about eliminating stress entirely. That's an impossible task. Instead, it's about managing stress more effectively, reducing its impact on your body, and in turn, reducing the likelihood of a sickle cell crisis. Knowing is half the battle, and understanding the link between stress and sickle cell disease is the first step towards managing it effectively. Now that you have this knowledge, stay tuned for the next segment where we'll explore mindfulness basics, a powerful tool to help manage and reduce stress in your daily life. What exactly is mindfulness, and how can it help those living with sickle cell disease? You might have heard this term thrown around, but let's take a moment to truly understand it. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and engaged in the moment, aware of our thoughts and feelings without distraction or judgment. It's about taking a breath, slowing down, and truly experiencing life as it unfolds. Now, why is this beneficial? Well, mindfulness has been shown to reduce stress, improve focus, and contribute to a greater sense of well-being. But more than that, it allows us to step back from the whirlwind of thoughts and emotions that can often cloud our judgment and exacerbate stress levels. When we're mindful, we're better equipped to respond to stressful situations in a calm and controlled manner rather than reacting impulsively. For individuals living with sickle cell disease, mindfulness can be a game changer. Stress is not just an emotional burden for those with this condition. It can trigger painful crises. By practicing mindfulness, you can help manage this stress, reducing the likelihood of crises and improving overall well-being. But how does one practice mindfulness? It can be as simple as taking a few moments each day to focus on your breath, observe your thoughts and feelings, and simply exist in the present moment. This could be during a quiet morning coffee, a walk in the park, or even while doing household chores. The key is to do it consistently and make it a part of your daily routine. Remember, mindfulness is not about emptying your mind or achieving a state of eternal calm. Rather, it's about observing your inner world without judgment, acknowledging your thoughts and feelings, and then letting them pass without holding on to them. So, whether you're dealing with the everyday stressors of life or managing the unique challenges of sickle cell disease, mindfulness can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. By fostering a sense of calm, clarity, and resilience, it can help you navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease and serenity. Mindfulness is a powerful tool that can help manage stress and improve overall well-being. So, why not give it a try? It might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Meditation is a key component of mindfulness, but how do you get started? You may ask. Well, the beauty of meditation is that it's simple, accessible, and requires no special equipment. So let's explore some beginner-friendly techniques to kickstart your mindfulness journey. First up, we have mindfulness meditation. This practice is about focusing on the present moment without judgment. Just find a quiet, comfortable space, sit with your back straight, and close your eyes. Focus on your breath as it flows in and out. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. It's perfectly normal for your mind to wander, so don't be hard on yourself. The key is to notice when it happens and gently guide your focus back. Next, we have loving kindness meditation, also known as metta meditation. This technique promotes feelings of compassion and love, both for yourself and others. In a similar seated position, close your eyes and visualize someone you care about. Silently repeat positive phrases like, "May you be happy, may you be safe, may you be healthy, may you live with ease." Start with someone close to you, then gradually extend your well wishes to other people, even those you may have difficulties with. Lastly, we have body scan meditation. This technique involves paying attention to different parts of your body, from your toes to your head. It's a great way to connect with your physical self and notice any sensations or discomfort. Start at one end of your body and slowly move your attention through each part, noting how it feels without trying to change anything. Remember, these practices are not about achieving a certain state or feeling a particular way. It's about noticing what's happening right now in the present moment and meeting it with kindness and curiosity. Start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase your practice as it becomes more comfortable. Meditation is a skill that can be developed over time, and even a few minutes a day can make a big difference. So, why not give it a try and discover the benefits for yourself? You may just find it's the stress-busting tool you've been looking for. Breathing and movement exercises can be particularly effective for stress reduction, but what do they look like? Let's start with breathing exercises. These are simple yet powerful techniques that you can use anywhere, anytime, to help manage stress and promote calm. One popular technique is called the 4-7-8 method. It's as simple as inhaling for a count of 4, holding your breath for a count of 7, and then exhaling for a count of 8. This method encourages slow, deep breathing, which can help to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Another beneficial breathing exercise is box breathing. Picture a box in your mind and trace its sides as you inhale for a count of 4, hold your breath for 4, exhale for 4, and then hold your breath again for 4. This technique, used by Navy SEALs to stay calm in high-stress situations, can help you to feel more grounded and focused. Now, let's explore some gentle movement exercises. Yoga and Tai Chi are two practices that combine mindful movement with deep breathing. These exercises can help to reduce stress, improve flexibility, and promote a sense of inner calm. They can be adapted to suit your individual needs and capabilities, making them a great choice for anyone looking to incorporate mindfulness into their daily routine. For example, in yoga, a simple pose like the mountain pose can be a powerful tool for grounding and stress reduction. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and your arms by your sides. Take a deep breath in, raising your hands above your head, and exhale slowly, bringing your hands to your heart. Repeat this a few times, focusing on your breath and the sensation of movement. Similarly, in Tai Chi, a movement like the wave hands like clouds can help to promote relaxation and mindfulness. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, raise your arms to chest level, and slowly move them from side to side as if you're gently pushing clouds away. Focus on your breath and the sensation of the movement. Breathing and movement exercises can be done anywhere, anytime to help manage stress and promote calm. So why not give them a try? You might just find that they're the perfect addition to your stress reduction toolkit. Let's look at how real people integrate mindfulness into their daily lives to manage sickle cell disease. Imagine a world where the simple act of focusing on your breath can help manage the stress of sickle cell disease. This isn't some far-off dream. It's the reality for many individuals who've discovered the power of mindfulness. Let's explore some real-world scenarios. First, meet Zoe, a 17-year-old who kickstarts her day with a 5-minute guided meditation. This calming morning ritual helps her manage the stress of school, reducing the likelihood of painful flare-ups. Her favorite part? The peaceful tone it sets for her entire day. Next is Marcus, a 30-year-old who practices the 4-7-8 breathing technique during his workday. This simple exercise helps him stay centered, making him less prone to stress-induced crises. Marcus finds that these breathing breaks not only manage his stress, but also boost his productivity. Then there's Aisha, a 28-year-old who has incorporated a 15-minute mindful walk into her lunch break. This daily practice not only increases her step count, but also improves her mood and energy levels. Aisha finds that this mindful walk is her favorite part of the day. James, a 45-year-old, has made a daily body scan meditation part of his bedtime routine. This practice helps him relax and improve his sleep quality. James believes that his body scan meditation is the key to his well-rested mornings. Lastly, meet Sarah, a 35-year-old who uses a mindfulness app to integrate moments of awareness throughout her day. This app helps her reduce her overall stress levels, making her feel more in control of her life with sickle cell disease. These examples show that with a little creativity and commitment, mindfulness can become a part of your daily routine. From 5-minute meditations to mindful walks, these strategies are adaptable, versatile, and most importantly, effective. Mindfulness is not a one-size-fits-all solution, but with patience and perseverance, it's possible to find a method that fits seamlessly into your life. Remember, your journey with mindfulness is unique, and it's all about finding what works best for you. So why not start today? Before we wrap up, here's a quick disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It's not intended as medical advice. Any health-related decision should be discussed with a licensed physician or a qualified healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. Thank you for joining us in the Victory Education Lounge for this exploration of mindfulness and stress reduction for sickle cell. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Your engagement helps us create more content that educates and empowers the sickle cell community. Until next time, this is Maurice, reminding you that with mindfulness, you have a powerful tool at your fingertips for managing stress and improving your quality of life with sickle cell disease.